Welcome to my crib. Come in, come in. Hello again. Welcome to my workshop. Here is where my horses work for my cosplays. This is how it looks. Very nice, very nice. We got some swords, shields, any type of thing you need for cosplay, helmets, posters, surfing board, very like. Here you got my, oh sorry, I dropped it, sorry. Here's some stuff I own. I put it in my closet, so no one can steal from me. Closet is a very safe place. Here is my desk. I work here. I got a lamp, so I work often at night. I got this Batman thing, very useful. Here's some other stuff, very useful. I got here in my drawer. You know, if someone trying to steal from you, you gotta cut him, and he's not going to steal again. I guarantee you. Here's my very comfortable chair. I like this stuff. Here's some materials. Oh, sorry, not materials, but it's very useful. Very useful. Here's, safety first. Some other stuff I need, like saw and some glues maybe. Yeah, the sewing stuff. I very like it. So, and here's my sparring partner. Here's Rocky Balboa, my friends from the internet. I very like Rocky because I'm practicing every stage battle I do with him, because he's a really tough guy, you see. Whoops. You should stand up. Rocky, come on, hey. Okay, he's standing. For the moment I was really scared. Okay. So, and here's my shelf. I very like my shelf because, here's everything I want. I don't want much, but people like it. Oh. Yeah, here's some souvenirs. And this is very important. This little stuff here is from Eduardo and Julia, my friends from Spain. I really like it. I'm gonna put it on my chain here, guys, and I'm going to like this to hit the town. Every girl is mine. Yeah. So some trophies, Great Simon pin, handmade by my friends. Some diplomas and bamboo stick, stuff like that. So, illustrations, very nice. And this is a present. You don't have to look at it. So, looks like this. You saw my crib. You know where all the magic happens. Yeah. And this is how I relax. Some tea, Rocky? No? Okay. Very likes tea.